In this video I'm going to show you how to make a tag house drop like San Pacho did in these tracks. Including these elements.
Come to my place.
So we're going to start off with a vocal. Let's pick one from the underground pack.
Mamacita, quítate la ropa.
Come to my place. Come to my place.
Let's use this one. Sounding like this.
Come to my place. We'll get in the jacuzzi. I'll show you what is love. Then we will make a movie.
Then we're gonna write a bass under it. So let's pick a preset from the underground tag house pack. We'll be using this one. We're gonna start off on a root note. The vocal says it's in E minor, so let's start off on the root. Besides that, we're gonna follow the rhythm of the vocal.
Come to my place, we'll get. Come to my place, we'll get in the Come to my place, we'll get in the jacuzzi. I'll show you what is love.
Yeah, dope. Duplicate it.
A movie.
And make a little variation.
A movie.
So now we're gonna mix it. First on distortion. Then compress it. To get rid of the punch in the bass. And of course a sidechain to finish it off. So now we're gonna dive into the drums. Let's start off with a kick. Let's use this punchy one. Then add in the clap. We're gonna use this really snappy one. Same for the head sounds. Then drop in the closed head. Right here. And finish off with this snare sound. Yeah, really dope foundation. So now we're gonna spice it up with some glitchy loops and percussions. So open up the filler loops. Let's use this one. And pitch it down a bit. I think this will be in key. Yeah, that sounds perfect. So, and then to finish it off, I want to add a Latin loop to it. We got a lot of them in the pack. Let's use this one and mix it. Get rid of the low end to make room for the bass. Compress it to catch the peaks. And a sidechain. So altogether the drums sound like this. So now we're gonna dive into the lead sounds. So pick a preset from the new underground tag house pack. We'll be using this bass kind of step. So create a MIDI, starting on the root note. We are working in E minor, so. Then go up to the dissonant note, just like this, to create a kind of bass fill. Just like this, really solid foundation, so duplicate it and make a variation to the second part of the melody to keep it interesting. And then go up to the third note of the scale, same as the bass. So now we're gonna mix it. First a low cut. Then add some distortion, bit of delay, reverb, and push it to the sides in the air, and of course a sidechain to finish it off. Then we're gonna duplicate the Serum with the same mixing. And pick this saw kind of lead. Just like this. Then duplicate it again. And pick this really nice wobble sound. Just to fit it up some more. And then to finish off the lead stack, add a step sound to it. Let's use this one. Just like this. So for every bar we got a new lead synth, but not for the last bar. So we're gonna create a vocal lead to fit it up some more.
We will make a movie.
So cut out this part. Make it unique. And stretch it to a full loop.
We will make a movie.
Giving this kind of glitch effect.
We will make a movie.
So then add a limiter to it. And sidechain it to the tribal loop. Drag back the ratio almost all the way to create kinda a reverse compression. What this will do is it will open up the vocal when the tribal is hitting, giving a really cool stutter effect to the vocal. Then we're gonna mix it some more. First the compression to even out the volume levels. An EQ to open up the high end as well. Then modulate it some more with an echo delay. Push it to the sides with an imager. And some reverb and delay. And of course a sidechain to finish it off. So altogether all the lead elements sound like this. We got all the elements ready, so now it's time to dive in the arrangement of the track. First, let's drop over the vocal to right here.
Come to my place.
Copy over the bass and kick. Together with the drum loops.
Come to my place. We'll get in the jacuzzi. I'll show you what is love. Then we will make a movie.
Then I want to add a low-cut animation on the master channel.
Come to my place. We'll get in the jacuzzi. I'll show you what is love.
In the build-up.
Come to my place.
Just like
we'll
this.
Get in the jacuzzi.
Then I filled it up with some ambient sounds and textures. Just like this. Besides that, we're gonna drop it in the small animation on the master channel.
Then we will make
just a really small amount.
Then we will make a movie.
Then drop in the lead sound. Just like this.
Movie.
Yeah, dope. And then just arrange the drop. Turn it into a 16 bar loop. Like this. Drop the vocal back in right here. Create a low-cut animation.
Show you what is love. Then we will make a movie.
And then to make it a bit more interesting, we're gonna create a crash fill. So go to the cymbal step. And drop in a crash. Just like this.
Then we will make a movie.
And then to finish it off, I dropped in this right as well. And created this loop with it. Sidechain it. Just to fill up the drums some more. Sounding like this. So that's how you make a San Pacho style drop. I think it turned out really dope with all the earcandy, synth steps, basses, vocals. So let me know what you think about this in the comments. Besides that, if you like the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and I see y'all in the next videos.
Come to my place, we'll get in the jacuzzi. I'll show you what is love, then we will make a movie. I'll show you what is love.